Hello everyone. In today's video we are going to see ratio questions for year 5 students. Let's get started. Ratio. Let's see the first question here. The ratio of Amy's mass to Mira's mass is 3:1. If their total mass is 84 kgs, what is the difference in their masses? We have given the ratio of Amy's mass and Mira's mass. How we are going to do this question? We are going to do this question with the box method. If this is showing 1 unit, we are going to draw one box. This is 3 units, so we are going to draw 3 boxes for that. This is the ratio, so I have to multiply this with some number to get my answer. Let's calculate that. Mira has 1 box and Amy has 3 boxes. This is considered as Mira has 1 unit and Amy has 3 units. If their total mass is 84 kgs, that means this total is 84 kgs. What is the meaning of that? This means that 1, 2, 3, 4 units is equal to 84 kgs. Let's write it here. 4 units is equal to 84 kgs. I need to calculate my answer for 1 unit. How we are going to move from 4 to 1 unit? Divided by 4, right? We are going to do divided by 4. The same operation we will do it here, divided by 4. This will be written as 84 by 4. Let's divide it here. If we do it 84 by 4, this is the first place. It is 8, which is bigger than 4. I can easily divide it. 4 times 2 is 8. So let's write down 2 here and 8 here, and you subtract it and it will be 0 here. This 4 will come down here. 4 times 1 is 4. So write down 1 here and it will be 4 here. If you subtract it, your answer is 0. My answer is 21. This will give you 21 kgs. 1 unit is equal to 21 kgs. He asked you what is the difference in their masses. Can you see the difference here? How much is the difference between their masses in the ratio form? 2 units, right? 2 units is the difference. I need to calculate the answer for 2 units. What is the difference between their masses? 1 unit is equal to 21 kgs. Then 2 units will be how much? How do you reach from 1 to 2? Multiplied by 2, right? The same operation we will do it here on the right hand side also, multiplied by 2. 21 times 2, that I need to calculate that. 21 times 2, write down here. 2 times 1 is 2, 2 times 2 is 4, 42. My answer is 42 kgs. This is the difference between their masses. So this will be your answer. Let's see the next example here. Ali has blue marbles and red marbles in the ratio of 7:5. If there are 168 blue marbles, how many red marbles does Ali have? Find the ratio of the red marbles and blue marbles. They gave me the ratio of blue marbles and red marbles as 7:5. The meaning is that the blue marbles have 7 units and the red marbles have 5 units. Let's draw it here. Red marbles have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. Blue marbles have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. I need to calculate this answer. What he is telling us, there are 168 blue marbles. This shows you that this is the blue marbles. The total blue marbles are 168. How many units are they? They are 7 units. 7 units is equal to 168. Let's write down here. 7 units is equal to 168. How we will find out the answer for 1 unit? How do you reach from 7 to 1? Divided by 7, right? The same operation we have to do it here, divided by 7. This will be equal to 168 divided by 7. Let's divide it here. 168 divided by 7. This is 1 which is less than 7. I can't divide it. So I have to take 2 units together. This is 16. 7 times 2 is 14, which is less than 16. Let's write down here 2 and here 14. If you subtract it, 6 minus 4 is 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. This 8 will come down. Now it is 28. 7 times 4 is 28. Let's write down here 4 and this is 28. If you subtract it, your answer will be equal to 0. My answer for 1 unit is 24. In the question, he is asking us how many red marbles does Ali have. Ali has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units of red marble. I have answer for 1 unit is equal to 24. Can I calculate the answer for 5 units? Let's do it here. 1 unit is equal to 24. 5 units is equal to how much? How do you reach from 1 to 5? Multiplied by 5, right? The same operation you have to do it here also, multiplied by 5. 24 times 5. We have to calculate it. Let's calculate it here. Times 5. 5 times 4 is 20. 0 here, 2 carry over. 5 times 2 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 120. This is equal to 120. It shows you that the red marbles are 120 in numbers. This is your answer. The next question he is asking us, what is the ratio of red marbles and blue marbles? How many red marbles do we have? We have 120 red marbles. How many blue marbles we have? We have 168 blue marbles. Let's find out the ratio of red marbles to blue marbles. 120 is to 168. This is your red marble and this is your blue marble. I need to cancel it out and write down in the simplest ratio form. If I divide it with 2, 120 divided by 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Let's write down 60 here. 168 divided by 2. 16 divided by 2 is 8. 8 divided by 2 is 4. This is 4 here. Let's cancel this here again with 2. 2 times 3 is 6. This answer will be 30 here. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. This is 42 here. It is still an even number, 0 and 2. I can divide it with 2. 30 divided by 2 is 15. Is to 42 divided by 2 is 21. 15 and 21. 5 plus 1 is 6. 2 plus 1 is 3. This is divisible by 3. Let's divide it with 3. 3 times 5 is 15. So this is 5. 3 times 7 is 21. So this is 7. My ratio for red marble to blue marble is 5:7. This will be your answer. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment down below. Bye-bye everyone.